Time now is about 11:30. We live in Esmeralda Road, Kunop here. I want to watch something in front of me right now, right? Watch why I approaching it. I thought this illegal, boy. Watch this now. Watch this. Only when you reach up on it, then you realize it's a container, you know? I thought this illegal. I thought you can't park a container on the government road. And it's supposed to be in a secure premises and all them kind of thing like that. How much times we see people running into these things and either damaging themselves or lost a life. Today is the 15th of November 2024. Watch this, watch it, watch it. Watch. The law is only for a few, not for everybody. Watch. Madness, by total madness. Madness.